created implementation user and we assign the roles. Then LDAP schedule job. Second step. Third step, we reviewed the enterprise information. Fourth step, we completed the implementation project. Fifth step, we started the key setups like calendar. Sixth step, currency. Seventh step, chart of account structure, including value. Eighth step, convention accounting method. Ninth step, like we completed the primary ledger, including courses. Next, we completed the review and submit accounting job. Before review and submit accounting, then we started the practicals like testing. We assign the ledger to respective user like Kohli and Sriyan. Then we open the period. We started the journal entry creation with single journal batch. Clear, guys, or any doubt? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Could we tell sir, could you explain the convention accounting unit?
Convention accounting convention accounting method is the whether you want to use the credit basis accounting or cash basis accounting. And simple. See, when you are buying the any home or anything, whether you want to pay the entire cash immediately or you want to go for the loan or credit basis. Same way, companies will go for the credit basis accounting for sales and purchase. Next note of journal creation. So go to home page. Go to home page. Go to general accounting. Click the journals. So we have the two navigations. You can go for home symbol and access the general accounting, or go to navigator here. Go to navigator here. You can see the general accounting also. You can use any navigation for access. Click the journals. Click the journals. Okay. Click the create journal. Click the create journal.
Sir, we completed it, right?
No, there is many examples and within the journal.
Okay.
So when you select the task pane, you can see the data access set. And this is important. If you are not able to see, go and check the data access set assignment. Project is not required here. Project is not required. Ledger is required. Go to create journal. Okay. Just read it. Just read it. What are the fields available? What are the fields are mandatory?
We don't have data access set, right, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, I'm
I'm getting some error, sir. Some index error and a line error.
Okay, I will look into that. Otherwise, I will share the new instance. Okay? Then, so last section, we created single journal, right? Right.
Yes, sir.
No doubt. Salaries paid. You can use any naming convention. General batch name is optional, but real-time client will ask us to make a general batch description as a mandatory. So we are entering the manual journal. We are entering the manual journal because of the source. We are not at enable approval. Present status is unpost.
సార్ ఇక్కడ అకౌంటింగ్ డేట్ ఇవాళ వచ్చింది కదా సార్, కానీ మాకు ఆగస్ట్ 1 వస్తుంది సార్.
That means August 1st might be latest open period in our ledger level. You might be mistakenly open. Just check.
రిపోర్ట్స్ లో కూడా అంటే రిపోర్ట్ జనరేట్ చేసినా రావట్లేదు.
I am telling whatever month is the latest open period in your ledger, that will be default. This product. Go and check your open period status. What was the latest open? Is it July 21 or August 21?
ఆగస్ట్ ఉంది సార్.
Then it will come August. Then go and close the August and keep the July 21 as a open status.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
రియల్ టైమ్ లో వన్స్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఓపెన్ చేయొచ్చు సార్.
We see normal closer can reopen, but rare cases. Clear? Then select the category. Is there any category? It belongs to salaries or expenses. Otherwise, simply take the other or temporary. Our ledger is the Bhavya Cement. INR is our ledger currency, which will default. Then, so always journal consists of journal batch name, journal batch name should be unique. Journal name consists of different information, accounting date, currency, then go to lines and go to lines. See, these lines will decide by client in real time. See, based on their purpose, based on their needed, they will go and select the combination. They can go and select the combination. We can call segment combination or account combination. Lines can be entered n number of, but debit credit should be equivalent. Debit credit should be equivalent. So I'm booking the company department HR. Because of this, salaries comes under HR. Accounts, it starts with the 5 number because expenditure. Okay. Then take the product. We never give the salaries product wise. Location wise, we will be pay the always salaries at organization level. These are all simple things, and if you don't understand this one, whatever expenses are you are doing in your home, book those transactions like rent, paper bill, tea charges, groceries, milk, or electricity. You can book.
Sir, I have doubts, sir.
Yeah.
So can we create those fields in right now when we posting the JV? Like in Tally, we can create the ledgers when we posting the Tally, right? When we posting the voucher.
Yes.
So like this, can we do? Do we have an option like this?
I will take your question and let me complete this topic. Okay. Last 5 minutes.
Okay,
we will
sir.
discuss.
Okay, sir.
What is the difference between conversion rate and inverse conversion rate?
Conversion rate will be other than 1 rupee means you are entering the foreign currency journal. As of now, we are booking the ledger currency journal.
Inverse conversion rate?
Inverse means system will create a percentage. That we will discuss after a couple of days. I will show you inverse how it will be impacted. Okay. So just I am showing the layout how to book the basic journal. There is full raining and in Hyderabad. I hope you. Since yesterday, right?
Continually from today, yesterday also.
Yes.
Sir, one small doubt may I ask?
Yeah, please.
Sir, in real time, debit and credit, when we enter the values here in line, so every time debit and credit, will they be same?
Yes, Andrew. You are from commerce background or non-commerce?
Non-commerce, sir.
Okay. Yes, should be same. See, example, I will tell you simple. You want to buy the newspaper, in-order paper. You went to shop. The shop person said 5 rupees. Will you give the 4 rupees? Will you give the 6 rupees?
5.
Yeah, that means what comes in, what goes out should be equivalent. That we can call credit to debit should be equivalent.
Okay.
If you give the 6 rupees more than your cost you are giving. If you are giving the 4 rupees, 1 rupee still pending. So always our accounting system Okay, debit credit should be equivalent and your transaction should be equivalent. What comes in, what goes out. That is the basic logic. Good question.
Oh, thank
Okay, then enter the big amounts. You can enter 50,000 or something. Debit. Go to credit. Go to credit. Go here. You can enter cash transaction or bank transaction. See, last class, I already created cash combination. You can use the simple. Once created combination, you want to use the same combination multiple times. No need to enter the combination one by one. Click the search button. You can see what are the combination already used. Just select it. So I selected a company code, finance department, cash account department. So 50,000. So we are using the INR. It is showing the 2 precision. Dot 2. Okay. Then, so save the journal. Save the journal. Save the journal. Journal always consists of journal header, journal line, journal header or journal batch name, journal line, journal name, journal lines. Then, shall I move? Did you note down it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just to save it. Once saved it, you are eligible to overwrite because of the still unposted status. Unposted journal eligible to override amount, combination and other information. Then do the complete. Do the complete. Completion status will become the complete. Then click the post. Click the post. First question. Narasimha, if I don't do post, what will happen? It won't update their trial balance report. Once posted only, we will be understand that amount is impacted on my business. So unposted journal never update the transaction. So posted transactions only will be updated. Click the post button. Click the post button. When you click the post button, system will initiate some concurrent job, scheduled job program by automatically, and it shows the selected for post. So selected for posting time you cannot override. Just refresh it. Just refresh it. Still posting status. While period is opened or not, whether this period is future period or not, or current period or not, debit amount, credit amount equivalent or not, combinations are active or not, it will be refreshed. It will be validate the data. Now, what is the status on it?
Post.
Narasimha.
Yeah. 1 minute. So once posted, I want to give the important points. So See, I entered journal header, journal name. Journal name consists of lines. First status is unposted, then incomplete. Once you posted, see, unposted time, modifications, yes, yes. Then I posted, then modifications, no, no, once posted, right. So what Oracle is saying, once posted, what exactly happened in the packet? Oracle system will update the base tables. Backend will update the base tables. Backend, it will update as a backend status will treat it as a yes. So once posted, balances will update. Balances will update, and reports you can able to see, right? Trial balance report and some other P&L account reports you can see. Once posted, system doesn't allow to modify. Right? So now tell me the doubts, please.
Sir, where we can see unposted entry?
See, when you enter the journal entry, you can see the unposted before posted button. Suppose your users are entered the journal. You want to know unposted. Go to manage journal. Select the target month. Select the target month. July 21. Select the unposted. There is no unposted journal. So manage journal will give the posted or unposted journal. Posted yesterday we created. Today we create. Yeah. Clear?
After clicking the complete, what changes are there before unposted?
Before unposted.
We completed. We click on complete, no? After clicking on complete, what is the difference between after clicking on complete and before posted?
Okay.
Is there any change?
Complete means it will treat it as a draft to complete, because we have two steps. Now I am showing the manual creation, manual posting. In next class I will show the auto post job. Automatically post the all journal end of the day. So that time system considered, the program will consider completed transactions only will consider for the post. If you click the posting button without completing, system logically will consider completed simultaneously, posting will be considered simultaneously. Clear?
Sir, system can allow us if the debit and credit amount is different. Suppose, unfortunately.
We will see that negative scenarios we will see now. That negative scenarios, that mistakes that we can call user corrections, we will discuss.
Sir, what is the use of this draft? I mean, this complete button then?
I am telling that is the reason only. Present you are doing the posting directly. But next step we have the functionality called auto post criteria set. The program will consider only completed transaction instead of the saving transaction. That is the product logic. Right. Next note of journal batches. Next topic, journal batches. So client will ask us, I have seen many clients. First they want to give the batch name as a today's date or specific name as per their requirement. So within the journal batch, batch name, let us take 22 July 2021 JE batch. I want to keep the expense journals, sales journals, like asset purchase journals, and outstanding journals. So why should I create single journal, Narasimha? I want to create one batch name. I want to keep all journal, I will save it. End of the day, my manager will query the journal batch name. He will review the journal. He can initiate or post. Manager will review and initiate for post. So this is the simplified. It will reduce the time. It will be reduce the confusion. So every day we want to book the all journals as a batch name. Okay. Make note, please.
Narasimha?
Journal batch name consists of multiple journals. Can be single, can be n number of. Yes. Yeah, please.
Multiple journal, we create multiple journals only for one day, right?
Any day.
Only for specific date. Or we can create for different dates.
Yes. Within the batch also different dates. Within the period, yes.
Okay.
Right. Next. So go to create journal. Okay, you guys can run the reports regularly. Run the reports. Once complete, once posted the journal. Journal creation. Posted. Then do the manage journals for review. Then run the GL reports. Review. Output. You need to follow this. If I miss any second step, third step, you need to practice it as a consultant. Right. Go to create a journal as a user. I have one doubt and it is showing the July 2022. Let me check. Anyone opened my calendar mistakenly? Go here. Go to period close. Go to period close. Okay. Go to already period is opened. General ledger. Somebody opened and I don't know who opened my calendar. So don't disturb the Bhavya Cement, Amma. Don't disturb the Bhavya Cement. I don't know who opened this one. July 22. That is the reason system showing the July 22. It's Sriyan. See, somebody used my username and opened it. So I don't want to do that one. Then close the July 22. It will initiate the program. June 22. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Don't open them.
Sir, why we are closing that? This is July, na? Hello?
We are into July 21. Somebody opened the July 22. Did I open or somebody open?
Somebody. We are in July, na, sir.
Babu, year I am saying, not month.
July 21, we are in.
Oh, sorry, sir. I am telling the date. Today's date is July 22. It's my confusion.
Ah, okay. Right. No problem. Don't open them, man. Don't open. If you open unnecessarily, we are missing the future status.
Where you notice that?
General window level, I noticed.
No, Narasimha, it is When creating the calendar, the first ever open period is displaying the July 22. I feel it is a version bug.
No. Yesterday it was shown, the last class it was shown the July 21 number. Last class it is showing the July 21 only as a default period. I remember.
Okay.
Today only I changed the period name. Last class I did not touch the period name also. If anyone observed that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Create the journal name. Enter the journal like sales, cement bags sold to customers. Right. So select the category, sales invoice. Because always category, your account will be same nature, same behavior. Okay. See, our category always says purpose of the journal. Why we are creating? Is it sales, expenditure, or something for our company? Okay.
So here we don't have any source, like suppose we are importing from other systems, means the source will be there, right?
Sorry, Nand. I'm not at desk. Can you repeat that question, please?
So normally when we are importing the journals from other third-party systems,
That we will discuss, and that we will discuss. First, let me complete the basic funda, then I will explain the export and import.
Oh no, sir. Source. I mean the field.
Source name will be changed, and source name will be changed.
Okay.
Only creation journal from this page, it shows as a manual. That is product logic.
Okay.
Correct. Choose the journal. Choose the combination. Go to journal line combination. Select the company. Department. Give the sales department. See, when we do the sales, we will get the cash amount. We will get the cash. So sales account will be credited. Right. You can enter 6 lakhs. So once we are selling the product, we are receiving the money. So cash combination I have used already. Just click the search engine. You can see the combination created used earlier. You can click it. when I do the sales, cash, what comes in, product sales, products are going out from our office. So that we can call debit and credit.
Sir, is this sales order details?
Sir, here can we require to change the department or not required?
Not required. Cash will be
Credit
received by
transfer.
finance department only. See, finance department only will receive the money from the different sources, so we will keep it. Otherwise, you can keep the sales all. Right. Then I am not posting now.
Okay, sir.
I am not posting now. I am just saving the batch name. Just listen, and this is key point. Journal name. I want to create one more journal under same batch. Click the add button. So I am not changing the batch name. I am just adding the journal. Then computers purchased from Dell. Then you can say it is a asset. If you don't find the exact category names, take as the other at this moment. Or if we have the any purchase related thing, purchase invoice. These categories I will show now how to create own category names. So go here. Non-commerce people try to understand. We are buying the computers, what comes in our office. You want to buy the computer for a particular department, or you want to keep that record under admin department or something. Go here. There is no admin department. Like if you don't know any department, take as a default. Nothing will be impacted. Clear? Or you can keep the procurement also.
Narasimha, can't we able to create a department here?
Yeah, no. Good question. No number.
Okay.
See, that is the reason I am saying. Good question. Logically, setups will be happen one window. Data entry will be happen another window. If any ERP giving that facility, if you don't find the same name, you will always go and use it for immediate quick purpose. But it will create a lot of data, lot of confusion, lot of volume as well. Am I right or wrong? That is the reason, if you remember, when you are saving the same mobile number in your system, it shows, right? Duplicate name is there, similar name you saved, similar number is saved. Am I right or wrong?
Sir, if you purchase will be made from America, then what happens is
that we can call foreign currency journalism, that we will discuss. Okay. If you purchase from other than India, enter the journal. Just note down.
So simultaneously, we want to add another JV for where we need to click on create journal or journal, right?
Journal action somewhere. Right side journal action is there.
Okay. Yes, I got it.
Sir, client will give this list to us, or we need to identify by our own which department it will go. I mean,
they will decide in there.
Okay.
Just we are testing for our purpose. Real time client will decide and then
Hello, sir. If I purchase on credit basis, if sundry creditor is name is what is the reflection here?
Sorry.
Sundry creditor name what here? Which place is reflected, sir?
No, we are recording as a credit cash basis transaction as of now.
Okay, sir.
Next one I will show.
Okay, sir.
Sir, where is the first entry, sir? General entry.
That we will review through manage.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, after posting the journals, can we delete that one?
No.
No, okay.
Impossible.
Here we can reverse the entry.
Okay.
Modification is not allowing means it doesn't allow to delete also.
Sir, if there is a wrong journal entry, we can create another journal and then reverse.
That we will see negative scenarios tomorrow.
Okay, okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, if supplier is giving some discount on, if we posted the general and after that supplier is giving some discount, then what will, how that transaction will be entered?
Book the another journal and then.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, how many journals we can add, sir?
N number of, there is no end. Just to save it. Go to journal actions. Click the add button. Next note down. Machinery purchased. From vendor or supplier with credit basis.
Sir, akkada journal actions, journal actions has a create button, add button, and the next one left to the left there is one more add button. What is that?
Okay, I will tell you. Delete them. Once save the journal, you want to delete that journal, just click the delete option. Okay. This one accrual means credit basis we are buying them.
Sir, on small doubt, sir.
Go to
In
lines.
real
Company. Shall I enter cash accounting or other accounting?
Bank.
No, vendor, right?
Cash.
Creditor.
Creditor will come.
Vendor.
Vendor will come.
Sir, for credit purchase as well, department, finance and core also, sir.
You can give any department, no issues.
Okay. Sir.
Sir, here we have mentioned vendor library. While doing reconciliations, how can we know the party name?
That will come from the AP application. Why we are giving the just heads of the accounts. Make a note, please.
Narasimha sir.
Okay, then save it. Right. Complete. So I entered 3 journals under batch. Save and close. Now end of the day, manager will go to manage journal. Okay. Then check the unposted journals. Check the unposted journals. Sorry, this is June 21. Sorry. Go to search. You can see the journal. So what manager will do? He will select the journal batch name. He will click the post button. All journals will be converted to posted to posted. Go to manage journal, click the post batch. All journals are entered, saved under one batch, it will get posted.
Sir, can you please repeat it?
See, if you observe the manage journal window, I can see the batch name, single batch name, unique name, but categories are different. So now manager will say, I reviewed the journal Narasimha. Can I post my batch with all journal consist of? Just click it. Whatever journals are entered in this batch, that will be posted. Here one logic is there. Example, I created journal batch. I entered 3 journals. If I click the post button here, 3 journals automatically posted because you are initiating through batch post button. So once posted the batch, once posted JE batch, journal entry number, JE means journal entry, system will not allow to add new journal in same batch because that batch is posted and complete. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, is it like input and verifier concept?
Yes.
The user will input the data and the manager will post that.
Narasimha, I have a doubt. In Fusion, do we have any option to view the code combination description after entering the line levels?
Yeah, it will show.
Okay. And one more, is there any option to define the aliases of combinations?
Yeah, that we will discuss in the next week, Srinivas.
Oh, so
all functionalities are there. Let me compare 1 point, 1 minute. See, in EBS, we are doing in the form, Srinivas, form-based entry. But in EBS, journal batch name is showing the mandatory, here it is showing the optional. In EBS journal window, journal name is the mandatory, here optional. And page behavior is changed. Okay, right.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఒకటే రోజు మనం ఒక జనరల్ బ్యాచ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఒక ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సెషన్ వరకు అది పోస్ట్ చేసేసి మళ్ళీ డే ఆఫ్టర్ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మీ రిమైనింగ్ టైంలో మనం మళ్ళీ జనరల్ బ్యాచ్ అదే డేట్ మీద క్రియేట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ పోస్ట్ చేస్తే పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా?
నో.
ఓకే సార్.
If you post the one journal under batch, all journals will be posted among you. Suppose 3 journals are there. If you hit the one journal posted, remaining 3 will be posted automatically. That is the product.
Yes, sir. Once we posted the journal batch, after that we creating the journals as the same journal batch name as a same.
It doesn't allow.
Doesn't allow. Okay, sir.
You need to create version _1 or something.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if we found any one general is wrong entry, then what will happen, sir?
That will be reversal. Yes, you can reverse the single journal. See, all journals are initiated for posting. Now all journals are posted. 2 days. Right. Now someone asked me, right? Sir, can I create the same batch name at afternoon section? Example. Don't do experiments on the Bhavya cement and okay?
Sir, accounting period was June 22, sir.
Okay, good. I told you no problem.
System has automatically taken June 22.
Whatever latest month is there, whatever period is last open, that will be defaulted. You need to close it.
Sir, accounting period is June 22.
It's not refreshing. Let me. That is the reason I want to close those things until July 21. Now refreshed. See.
Okay, sir.
Then go and do this one. _1. That means within the day, 1, 2, 3 or 4 batches got created by users.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next topic.
సార్ హలో
Yeah, please.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు జనరల్ ఇచ్చారు కదా బ్యాచ్ 1_1 అని డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో కూడా మీరు సేమ్ ఎంట్రీ చేస్తుండే కదా ఇంతకు ముందు మరి ఇప్పుడు
That is single batch name, single journal. Under multiple journals, one batch, we never give the same name, we will give the different name. I understood your question. I got your question.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, when being an end user, we are giving _1, no, sir. How will they know? Is it already exist or how will they?
The error message is showing, right?
Yes, sir. If they give 2 or 3 or something.
Good question. 1 minute. I got your question. Good. Let me go to manage journal. Before entering the journal, end user will go here. End user will go here. We will check the unposted status today with the date. Accounting date. Good question. Accounting date. Give the today's date. Search it. If you find the batch name, if you find the journal name with the, if you don't find it today, select the posted. You feel that today somebody already posted, then create _1. Now got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
If you get it unposted, go to batch name, click the edit and add the journal.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, in the beginning of the class, you said that few clients will ask to make it as a mandate field in the batch name. How can we do that, sir?
That technical people will do that. We can call page form personalization or page composer. Page composer. We are changing the composing. That will be done by technical team through backend pages.
So that edit we can do in SAS or PAS only, sir?
Anything, that is small component. Anything you can.
Okay.
Next topic.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any possibility to for entire month is one batch?
I never seen
no,
that.
Because why I asked that, actually I was working with more, okay. In that there is a chance, okay, we solid expenses comes in 1 month for one batch.
Yeah, that we can see. Batch name is always your understandable way. How you want to create. Arcly is not sticking. Very good question. And you can create expense batch, revenues batch, like sales batch, assets batch, liability batch, capital batch you can create. Entire month you can enter the journal. Last day you need to post it.
So
But that is difficulty, Nandi. But users will run the everyday posting. They will run the journal entry reports and trial balance reports.
But how Oracle is accepting in our cases, I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Because every day they are making the payments. Okay, expenses they are doing the payment, but they are not posting. System is not allowing to post, auto posting.
So that is the reason payable application will satisfy your expectation. Right? GL 99% we will enter hardly monthly 10 to 15 journals also. Most of the data coming from to GL, journal window from different sources, manual creation, spreadsheet creation, subledgers. So we have the question, how many ways we can create the journal? Make a note. Good question. How many ways we can create a journal? So we can create through manual source, manual. We can create by spreadsheet. We can create or we import from subledgers. Oh, this is the way we can. Now I am showing how to create journal by manual. Spreadsheet I will show you in next week. Subledger, when we are discussing the subledger, like I will explain AP, AR, GL. Here. So many ways we can create journals.
Sir, automatic process అన్నారు అదేనా సార్ స్ప్రెడ్షీట్ అంటే?
Yeah, that is different. That is posting automatic.
Sir, APAR comes into subledger, sir.
Yes. Other than GL subledgers, just keep in mind that is important question. The next note, next topic. I completed single journal creation, batch journals. Right. Next note. Category journals. Make note. Now client will share. I need
Sorry to interrupt.
categories.
Yesterday you showed one PDF report, sir. How do we pull that?
You should go to scheduled process and go to search engine submit it, like a LDAP job.
Okay.
I will show you once complete this stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Then create categories, like example, Bhavya expenses or Bhavya maintenance. Then Bhavya sales, Bhavya office expenses, Bhavya factory expenses. See, they don't give Bhavya, and in our instance we need to create a prefix as a Bhavya, otherwise it will create a duplicate. So category names. First question, what is the category? Based on the general category, system will understand purpose of the journal. There is a good topic for general category. Just read it. So general category will help the business user differentiate journal entry by purpose, such as accrual means liability, outstanding, payments, receipts, customer receipts. When you journal entry, you can specify. So you can define a suspense account for you can also use a document sequence to sequential number journal entry category. General categories appear in the standard reports. So article given the seeded category names. If you are satisfied with these categories, you can go and use it. Otherwise, you can use your own convention, naming convention, or your own customizing. Okay, clear? Make a note. Next, how to create general categories. Create general categories as per client requirement. Last topic, 5 minutes to go. Okay, is it a setup or data entry? Creation of general category.
Setup, sir.
Setup. Feel like as a consultant now. Go to setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance. Go to financials, our regular job. Manage journal. Manage journal category. See here you have seen the action window, right? Export to CSV file, import from CSV file, compare, that we will discuss some. That instance to instance we can export and import, that we will discuss one day. Manage general categories. Manage general categories. Click the manage general category. Make a note. Oracle provided seeded category names. Oracle provided seeded category names. Oracle provided seeded category names. If required, you can use it.
Sir, why is this 16 category pre-filled when we
No,
are...
somebody created, somebody created, I think. This is not Oracle. Somebody created, one student. 16th category. Okay, right. These are all seeded categories. How do you know particular seeded is or not? Go to accrual or something. You can see the about this record. Seeded data. Did you understand?
Sir, within the category, we can select specific ones.
Yep. Click the add button. Here it is asking the name, category, description. You can go and use it. Bhavya office expense. Bhavya factory expenditure, like factory rent, factory maintenance or something. Sorry, spell mistake.
Narasimha, can we restrict these categories to particular ledger, something like that?
No,
or it will
this
show
is
globally?
global setup. Good question. Global setup. Across the global, you can see.
Yeah, because see, in the forms level, yeah, by using customization, we will control it. Using lookups and all, we will control it. But here, I'm just asking. But as per here, there is no. It is completely on the global side.
Yeah, this is global setup, instant setup. There is no link to the ledger. There is no link to particular country as well.
Okay.
But if you want to differentiate particular country ledger, give the prefix name.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
How many categories can create? N number of fund. There is no end.
So I have one doubt.
Yeah.
The project is completed and submitted to the company. But after that, company wants to create new category.
You can give the permission to the key user manager. Only this manage general category setup access they can do.
Okay, sir.
Right. Then save. Once saved, it doesn't allow to delete it. That is product logic. Once define the category, it will not allow us to delete it. See, your delete option disappeared, and anyone observe?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then save and close. Note down. These categories where it will show. Now question, I created general categories. Where I can use? Where I shall use?
Internal.
No. You can see these categories in the general entry level or general page level, general creation level. Am I right or wrong? Second one, manage general window. You can inquiry the general. Then reports level, you can run the reports with the category wise. So these are the major benefits. Let me try with the first one. So it is already 8:29. I will show you. Go to common activity, go to home page. Go to journals. Go to task pane. Click create journal. Then I want to book some office expense.
Sir, accounting period 22.
Yeah, I will change it. Thanks. I will close it. That periods. Otherwise, every time I should change it. Now here you can see the Bhavyana. Did you understand? See, earlier I taken the seeded category names, but I am not satisfied. I want to use my own naming convention. Use the category names.
Sir, once we created means it's automatically update here, sir.
Yes, sir. That is the reason I am saying.
Okay, sir.
Where it will update. General entry level, manage general window, and reports category wise. Okay. So once you created journal, go to the journal window, go to manage journal. You can inquiry with the journal category specific. You can check here. Bhavya. Second one, you can inquire with the month or date. If we go to journal reports, go to tools, go to scheduled process. If you practice well, you can able to understand. These are all very, very basic things. You can explore and let me know if you have any doubts. Someone requested me, right, how to run the schedule job. Go to journal debug. You can run it. Here you can select the category. Bhavya. You can run with Bhavya specific. Clear? So 3 level you can use these things and you can run the reports as well. Okay. So you guys can try and let me know these things.
Sir, malla repeat cheyara sir last.
Go to report. Go to report. Do the journal debug. Select the category wise journal you want to run the report. Select the category from drop down list. Submit it.
Sir, can't we get all the categories in one report?
Yes, you can give the date range. Date range.
Okay, we can change the filter options.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So any doubts? I'm going to stop the section.
Sir, can the end user want to enter the entries for June and July month without closing the June period? Can it possible?
Possible, but it is not suggestible.
Okay.
See, period is open means any month it will allow to book the transaction, but you need to override the month and the date in the journal page level. But I did not see the much scenarios. July month running, they never enter June because June period will be closed at June 30th to finalize the account, to finalize the reconciliation, to close the books as well.
So, for example, if we miss any transaction to enter in June period, then and June period is closed. So,
no.
It will how to?
No, it doesn't allow. Once close the period, it doesn't allow. That is product logic. If you forgot it, you will be enter in the July month.
Sir, report last report sir step by sir.
Sure. Go to schedule a new process. Search here journal daybook. Go here. Scroll down. Search engine is there. Journal. These are all very, very basic navigations, and you should remember. No problem. Initial days you may have. Going forward, if I say go and run the report, don't ask the navigation. This report description, what is the purpose of this report and what is the data it is going to show. Click OK.
Narasimha, here you told to show the trial balance report.
Yeah. That is not appearing and I need to look into the issue. So, I am removing the source category just to submit. then system will bring the whatever data you have booked today, that will be shows. Here you can see the state, some metadata, process ID, status, submission date, UTC, submitted by, who submitted, submission note, start time. You have to explore many things. If you ask me everything, it may not take 1 year, 2 year time to complete it. Because it is big syllabus, vast syllabus. You need to do, explore, note down, and all these things. Even when I got trained by Oracle company, internally, given the basic fund, you need to start practice and testing and do the more. Here you have entered one single journal, 3 journals under batch today. We will be restrict that one. Shravan, we will restrict that one. Now we are using the global, right? As a employee, it is showing all. We will restrict the reports as well. Right? Clear?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, అది ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ యూజర్ జర్నల్స్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా సార్, జర్నల్స్ అన్పోస్టెడ్ అయినప్పుడు దాని మేనేజర్ కరెక్ట్ చేస్తాడా సార్, లేకపోతే ఇంప్లిమెంట్ యూజర్ కరెక్షన్?
No, here I am saying don't get confusion. Real time journal should enter by Virat Kohli as a end user.
Yes, sir.
Here I am showing H. Sriyan is the user, H. Sriyan is the implementation consultant. Real time consultant never modify, never approve, never correct the already entered the journal by end user. His manager also will modify. He is not the consultant. Good question.
Okay.
I will give the live example. Good question. See, now I am in the J2 Global client.
Yes, sir.
USA GL users are there. My users are like Ruchi Gupta and Sandra is there. I don't remember full name Sandra. So Ruchi Gupta will book the journals. Sandra will review and post. But Narasimha is the consultant from Hitachi. If any user do the mistake, I don't go and do this one. I will fix the errors. I will fix the issues as per our company SOW, as per our company agreement. She will fix it. Yeah.
Okay.
So Narasimha sir, how can we fix the errors that we occurred, sir, like F&D error?
That we will see, go day by day. If you see, if that user is created ticket to you, if that user is created ticket to you, your Hitachi company, I am facing this error, you need to test in the lower instance, you need to raise the SR or you need to fix it.
Okay. Sir, will you provide the new instance today, sir?
I will try him. I will ask the guy who providing to us.
So because too many of errors are
Same issue, Babu, everywhere, not only here. Even if you join in the Infosys company also,
yes,
students should realize the deployment issues. Nobody can help you. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. It's
in India, rules are there. If you follow the rules, everybody think it will be same page. If you don't follow, everybody will be impacted. That is the reason I am saying I'm not commenting the student, and you need to do the good observation and practice.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
See, that you should understand, and you need to do the best practice. That is the reason I'm always say in observation.
Yes, sir. Before I done
Make
around
a
6
note.
projects, sir. Before I done
1
6
minute,
projects, sir.
make a note. Do the best practice. Take the screenshot. This, if you follow 4, you will become consultant. Sorry, you will become subject expertise.
Yes, sir. We are becoming, sir. But in the later past 2 days, 3 days, too much of errors coming, sir.
Yeah, because we have many things here in students will do. Okay?
Yes, sir. Many things are there, but I think we need some good instance, sir. I think so.
It is not instance problem, Babu. Students are creating the mistake. It is giving the deployment error. So what instance will do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Too much of error.
I will try him. I will.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Shravan, I will come back to that one. One day we will discuss report roles customization, reports restriction for your user through data security, function security. That we will discuss, Shravan, one day.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Sir, one doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, for Sri Lanka location ki specified ledger options ఇస్తుంటే retained earnings account చూపించట్లేదు సార్, no valid combination అని చూస్తుంది.
Really? Did you define the BSV code for Sri Lanka?
Yes, sir. I will define.
Okay. Share your ledger name. We'll look into the issue. Share your COA name.
COA. I will share.
One more thing, many students requested me for COA topic. Some people told me I missed something. Can I take some repeated section from tomorrow? COA creation, structure creation,
yes,
ledger
sir.
creation,
Yes, sir.
values
Yes,
creation.
sir.
Only one time. 1 minute. Don't expect every weekend is backup classes. Then instead of the regular, we will become the backup. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Many students pinging me personally, Nandi, because as a initial, as a pillars of the subject, I want to repeat from tomorrow. Is it okay?
Sir, please, sir.
Yeah, sir.
What about regular classes?
Oh, don't make me confusion. Regular, we are going regular only every day. 2 different classes. If you want repeat, let me know. I will take repeat. If you want me to take regular, let me know to take. If I am trying to make you benefited, you are asking again, what about regular? Regular will be happen after completion of the lecture.
For 2-3 days, so please take repeated classes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Major of the people are saying to take repeat class.
Even see, not only if students are not requesting by anything, I do understand, and as a teacher I know, right? I came from the student background only. I know where people feel difficult because we are into 10 years teaching field. We know where we can see points, pinpoints, regular points. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
That is the reason I am asking you.
Sir, it is better to go on Sunday, sir.
No, Sunday nobody can join, Babu. Everybody will say I will join. Narsimha only will be in the group. We have seen that scenarios also.
Okay, sir.
So we can keep it on Saturday if possible.
No, Nandi. See, repeated classes cannot be done weekend, Nandi. People will not join, Nandi. That is mentality. Our Indian mentality, our student mentality.
We pause the regular classes for 2 or 3 days and we'll complete the batch.
Yeah, 2-3 days we may miss it, and that we should bear it.
Yes.
If you need one thing in your life, you need to compromise one thing. That should be caption. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Correct. We will have good foundation.
Sir, what is table space issue? It is a too much data enter or what?
Sorry?
Table space issue means too much
I will
data
check it.
enter.
I will check it in Metalink. I did not see that issue earlier.
Okay. Oh, what it means I want to ask.
Okay. I will do otherwise. I will do one thing. We will go for the alphabetic order basis instance access. One man should not access the two instances. We will go for A to P one instance. Okay. Q to Z is one instance. We can use it for name basis. Okay. Then we will restrict the more confusion, more errors. Am I right or wrong?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
Sir, I am also having same issue, sir, while deploying structures.
Yeah, that I will share some instances, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We will see how we can use the best plan for practice instead of doing the multiple iterations, multiple confusions.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
హలో నరసింహ సార్. హలో సార్, జనరల్ హోమ్ పేజ్ మీద జనరల్ అకౌంటింగ్ అని ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తారు సార్. మన సిఓఈ అండ్
Attend from tomorrow. Tomorrow I will take the anyway repeated classes. You will come to know when you will see. Okay?
సరే.
Same time, Amma. See, same time. Tomorrow, same time. Timings will not be changed. Thanks for asking that question. Same time, 7 to 8:30.
Okay, sir.
Don't use backup. Backup is different. Backup means new joinees. Repeated means regular people. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So the repeated classes will be held tomorrow and day after tomorrow, right, Nusama?
I don't know how much it will take.
Okay, thank you.
Maximum 2 days and 2 or 3 days.
Okay.
Sir, this
I
Oracle
can't take 1 week and day. It will be disturbed to everyone. Okay. Maximum 2 or 3 days.
Sir, can small scale industries, very small turnover, can use this Oracle software? Is it too much costly or something they can offer for small scale industries?
Small scale industry also they will offer. Okay.